Hi, we're Illyus Barrientos.
And you can check out our course on our single D.A.N.C.E, which came out on Toolroom on FaderPro.
In this course, you're going to see how we come together with ideas, we work with synths, bass lines, as well as drums, and how we incorporate vocals and all that.
It's an absolutely excellent insight into how we as artists who have, released on the likes of Toolroom, affected how we work our process in writing music. Also, it's really good for you guys to understand the simplistic way you can approach mixing and the simplistic way you can approach an arrangement. And finally, it's always a good idea to check out these courses because you get to see what a final a breakdown of a record looks like that's been released.